sway. Sometimes I wake up feeling myself. Sometimes I wake up. Sometimes I wake up tired. And today I'm tired. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley if you're new here, and if you're new here then please subscribe. What are you doing? Subscribe. And let's get into today's video, which is quite exciting. So I'm gonna take you through a day in the life again. If you haven't watched my first one, go watch it. But today is a different day in the life because it's a day in the life of a university student, a Brunel university student. So today is a bit of a jam-packed day. I've got a few pre-lectures to watch, a live lecture, and then at 5 this evening I'm going to go to, is that my mum? No, it's not. I'm going to go on campus for a football session. So yeah, I'm gonna take you through my day pretty much, and just show you a day in the life of a commuting Brunel student during a interesting time. We've got interesting times right now in a epidemic, one of them. I'm gonna take you through my day. Sorry, I look a bit dry. I literally have just come out of bed not long ago, and yeah, I will see you probably when I don't know when I'll see you next. We'll just see. Okay guys, so I want to try and do a fun transition. So the next time y'all gonna see me is when I am dressed. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is my attire. Nike Pro, Nike. So yeah, I mean, actually I need to keep it this way. This is what I'm gonna wear for football. I think it's also dependent on the weather. If it starts to look like it might be sunny or a bit warm in the evening, I might bring my shorts and my socks just in case, but then I wouldn't even be able to change because I have nothing underneath. Just thought I switched the camera because the light in here is much better. I don't know what accent that was. But yeah, I've actually got a lecture that I need to watch before 2, which is like less than an hour. So yeah, I've got 2-ish lectures to watch today, which is, yeah, it's interesting. And then yeah, I've got a lecture until, it's an hour until 3, and then I think after 30 minutes I'll make my way to go for football training. I'm actually my arm quite hurts and I wanted to go rowing tomorrow, but if it continues to hurt, I don't want to add any more strain, so I might just call it a miss for this weekend. But it's up in the air with rowing at the moment on the water because of the weather. Rowing is a sport that's heavily dependent on the weather and the river, the tide. So yeah, I'm going to continue with my lecture, and then I'll probably see you once I start my actual live lecture.
Here, the information necessary to form a movement schema. We have initial conditions, we have the response specifications, we have the sensory consequences, and we have the response outcome. So let's take the dart throwing example. So
guys, I'm back and I'm in my lecture. My brother's in the back.
They will stop hitting the button as much because they're getting punished when they hit that button. So actually, in sport, to have a big coach, negative reinforcement is very difficult actually to do.
what is the aim of the study?
You find that?
And then just like,
Honestly, same. I was like, what?
you know where he put those, so basically there's four videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, yeah?
Yeah, and then there's the data
And then
one, the seminar. I didn't watch the data one, and I didn't get through the whole seminar.
Yeah, I
one.
didn't do the data one. I don't want to do the data one. So yeah, that's what I found, the aim of the study thing.
So you have to watch the actual lecture to answer this question.
Yeah.
Feel overwhelmed and feel like they're not being able to cope. They kind of switch off to it all and don't want to ask questions, but also don't even want to click into the folder and have a look at the different things because they feel like it's overwhelming. Well, hopefully.
I just finished my last lecture of the day. I think I just realised that I need to pull my weight. It's better that I realise now than either later on. And I've been doing it every weekend, like catching up on work. Because there's some seminars I have watched, but haven't watched in depth enough, or haven't done the activities surrounding, or I just need to, because we're human, some things we're not going to get straight away. I think that's just where I'm at, is when I watch a lecture, take notes, it's great, but I need to watch it again, answer questions so that it stays in my memory and I get it more, and then see if I have any issues and I can contact my teachers. I just want to, go just for like a kickabout.
Marks the gap between the train and the platform.
Alright guys, I'm here. I'm just waiting for my friend, but yeah, that's my uni behind. That's pretty much it. I don't like filming outside, but yeah, I'm here. Messy. Right guys, I'm here at the station. I finished my session. It went well, as you can see by my hair, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I'm sweating so much, like my face is sweaty.
Level 10. Going up.
Had a good day. Does the right one. So guys, this is me in my purest form. As you can see, my hair has not pulled through. My protein-free sold. I have the berry flavour. There's literally not much milk, but that's nowhere near enough milk. But overall I had a good day and I'm glad I went. Who's been stealing my almond milk? Huh? I'll do my dance again. But yeah, what I've got to do for the rest of the evening is buy something for my social on Wednesday so it comes on time. the consistency. I mean, I'm gonna start making smoothies, but I decided to join the football team because I wanted to learn a new skill and I want to be able to just keep fit. And I did play football in like secondary school, in like year 8, year 9. Can't really remember, but yeah, I just knew, even though it's not my favourite sport, it's not my main sport, I still just wanna, I find it really fun and I enjoy playing it and I enjoy pushing myself. It's a sport that I'm not that confident in, and I go in and I'm like, there's always so much people better than me, or look at her, she can play really good, she's been playing for years. But then I have to remember that, to not be too hard on myself, because like I said, I haven't played football for a few years, in a sense of beginner, or I'm just learning as I go. I don't have as much skill because I don't spend time doing it, but I want to push myself and learn something new. I just want to encourage you to keep learning something new, even if you're not the best at it or you feel a bit discouraged. I just want to encourage you that over time you will get better, and if you enjoy it, no matter how you're doing, just carry on doing it, and then you'll see over time things will get better. You don't have to be perfect. I think I worded that right. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the shower now and you'll probably see me when I've come out. Welcome back, lovelies. I'm cooking my dinner. So yes, I'm cooking my dinner. I'm making a chickpea curry. My carrots, onions, my rice is already ready. Then this is going to be the curry. The chickpeas, chopped tomatoes, coconut milk, and all these good seasonings. Yeah, and I was also thinking maybe one day I can do a simple, easy uni meals, or just simple meals for anyone to cook on this channel. So let me know if you're interested in seeing what simple meals. Some will be meat free, some will have meat, but let me know if you're interested in that, because I love cooking. I think especially during quarantine, I just found that I just wanted to eat more like healthy, nutritional foods, and I also want to cut out my consumption of meat little by little. You know, I'm not promising that I'm going to stop eating meat, but I want to start somewhere and also cut it out. So I've been trying to learn recipes which don't require meat, as well as ones that do. Just, I wouldn't eat the normal amount I used to eat. Alright guys, so I finished my prep. Now I'm just waiting for the curry to be ready. Here it is. This is not the final product. You wait for it to like cook everything in properly with the sauce, and like I said, the rice was already done. Excuse the mess, I work in a very messy manner, but it's all about to chill. Anyways, dinner served. I don't know why I'm screaming. Dinner is served. I did a reel on this, which I'll probably insert here. So yeah, now I'm going to wind down. I've had a productive day of lectures and sports, which is my ideal. I just want to get a good angle on this. My duvet is just not. Anyways, yeah. What's going on? That is today's day in the life. There's no point in me showing the rest of my day because I'm gonna scream. Honestly, just want you guys to see me. So yeah, that is all that I have to show you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm trying to make every video I do different from the other video, and I just, yeah, I wanted to change it up a bit and do something different, and also introduce my uni content, because obviously uni is a massive part of my life, one of the most consistent parts of my life, because I'm at uni not at uni, but I'm studying every every single day. Yeah, that's it. I feel like I just waffle a lot. So if you're new here, then get used to me waffling a lot. I'm gonna draw this video to an end and carry on eating my chickpea curry. Like I said, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you in my comments. Leave a thumbs up, leave a like this emoji, you'll see it down. There's one like this and there's one like that, but I want you to press this one. Have the best weekend. Wait, actually, when I upload this, it's gonna be on Sunday. Have the best week ahead. I love you all. Bye.